to Food Utopia. Today we will be making a Paneer Kathi roll. We marinate the paneer and add the spices to make this taste really amazing, and this is not very hard to make. So without further ado, let's get cooking. There are 4 parts to this recipe. First, we have to make the marinade for the paneer. Then we have to make a cilantro spread, saute the veggies, and make the bread or paratha. To make the marinade, we will need 200 grams of cubed paneer or cottage cheese, some salt as per your taste, half a tablespoon of mustard oil, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 3 tablespoons of plain yogurt, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of kasuri methi, half a tablespoon of besan or chickpea flour, and the juice of half a lemon. You will start by taking a small pan on medium heat and you will pour in the mustard oil. You will wait for this to get heated. You will then add in the besan or chickpea flour and you will stir these well together for 2 minutes. You will place this besan mixture into a large bowl and you will add in all the other ingredients for the marinade. So you will add in the plain yogurt, the ginger garlic paste, the red chili powder, the garam masala, the kasuri methi, and the lemon juice. You will mix all of these well together. You will also add in some salt and you will mix that in. You will then add in the cubed paneer. And you will mix this well into the marinade. We will refrigerate this while we make all of the other parts of this recipe. We can start making the dough for the parathas. For this, we will need 1 cup of whole wheat flour, some water, and some salt. You will take a small bowl and you will add in the flour and a little bit of salt. You will mix these together with your hand. You will gradually add in some water and you will mix it into the flour until it forms a dough. You will then take some more water and you will pat it on top of the dough. You will set this aside for 5 minutes. We will knead the dough again and you will set this aside. Next, we will start making the cilantro spread. To make this, we will need 50 grams of washed cilantro, 3/4 teaspoon of lemon juice, half a teaspoon of red chili powder, some salt as per your taste, and 3 tablespoons of plain yogurt. You will take a blender and you will add in the cilantro, the plain yogurt, the lemon juice, the red chili powder, and some salt. You will blend all of these well together. If you want your cilantro spread to be more thick, you can add in some more cilantro. The last part of this recipe is the sauteed veggies. To make these, we will need 1 tablespoon of oil, half an onion that is thinly sliced, and half of a bell pepper that is thinly sliced. To saute these, we will take a small pan on medium heat and you will pour in the oil. will wait for this to get heated. You will then add in the onions, and the bell peppers. You will mix these together and cook these for 2 minutes. You can then add in the marinated paneer. You will mix this in with the veggies and you will let it cook for around 8 minutes. You will start shaping the parathas. So to do this, you will take a clean surface and you will spread some flour on top of it. You will then place the prepared dough on top and you can shape these into 4 small circle shapes. You will take the same lightly floured surface and place one of the rolled circles. You will also need a rolling pin, which you will cover in the flour as well. You will roll this out into a large circle. You will then spread some ghee or clarified butter on top of this. And you can just spread it out with your finger. Then you will fold the sides into the middle. And you will push it down. And you will cover this in the flour on both sides. You will then roll this back into a circle. You will repeat these steps for all 4 pieces of the dough and then we can start cooking the parathas. So you will take a large pan on medium heat and you will place the rolled paratha and you will let one side of it cook for 1 minute. You will then flip it to the other side and you will spread some ghee or clarified butter on the top. You will then let the other side cook for 1 more minute. You will flip it again and you will spread some ghee again on the second side. You will let each side cook for around 15 more seconds and then you can repeat these steps for all 4 parathas. After all 4 parts of our recipe are ready, we will start assembling the Kathi roll. So you will take a paratha and you will spread some of the cilantro spread on top of it. We will then place the paneer and veggie mixture on top of this spread. Try to put it in the middle of the paratha so that our Kathi roll can be more neat. You will then roll both of the sides on top of the paneer and veggies. And your Kathi roll is ready. You can repeat this for all 4 parathas. I really hope you enjoyed this recipe. Tell me how you liked it in the comments below. If you would like the full recipe, it will be down in the description box. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and ring the bell icon to get updates on all of my new videos. Make sure to follow my Instagram account. See you in the next video.